In this world filled with distractions and chaos, relationships often find themselves teetering on the edge of collapse. It's during these moments that we must remember the power of God and His ability to rescue even the most broken bonds. Today, I stand before you to share stories of how God has intervened and saved relationships from falling apart, restoring love, trust, and harmony among those involved. Let us embark on this journey together as we explore the divine intervention in human connections. God's presence is felt when two people are willing to listen, understand, and grow together. He works through our hearts, guiding us towards forgiveness, compassion, and empathy. When couples or friends open their minds and souls to the divine, they invite God into their lives, allowing Him to mend what seems irreparable. This process may involve introspection, communication, and patience, but ultimately leads to stronger, healthier relationships, built upon a foundation of faith and love for one another. One example of God's intervention comes from a couple who had been married for over 20 years. Their relationship was plagued by constant arguments, resentment, and an overall lack of understanding between them. They sought guidance from spiritual leaders, read self-help books, and attended counseling sessions, yet nothing seemed to work. That is, until they decided to pray fervently and surrender their problems to God. Through prayer and meditation, they began to recognize their own shortcomings and learned how to communicate effectively. As they grew closer to each other and to God, their bond became unbreakable, proving that even the most strained relationships can be healed with divine help. Another story involves a group of close friends whose friendship had deteriorated due to jealousy and misunderstandings. Each friend blamed the others for their problems, leading to hurt feelings and distance between them. One day, one of the friends suggested they gather together and ask for God's wisdom in resolving their issues. During their heartfelt conversation, each person took responsibility for their actions and apologized sincerely. With God's guidance, they were able to forgive one another and rebuild their friendship based on trust and mutual respect. In doing so, they discovered the true meaning of friendship and the importance of leaning on God during difficult times. These examples demonstrate that no matter how dire the situation may seem, God stands ready to lend His support and help restore damaged relationships. By humbling ourselves and seeking divine assistance, we allow God to enter our lives and guide us toward healing and growth. Remember, God does not expect perfection. Rather, He wants us to acknowledge our mistakes, learn from them, and move forward with newfound strength and determination. Now, let us reflect on some practical steps we can take to strengthen our relationships with the help of God. First, pray regularly. Offering prayers individually or together with your loved ones can create a powerful connection with God. Ask for His guidance and protection in maintaining healthy relationships. Second, practice active listening. Listen carefully to the thoughts, feelings, and concerns of those around you without judgment or interruption. Show empathy and understanding while offering support and encouragement. Third, communicate openly and honestly. Share your emotions, needs, and expectations with your partner or friends. Encourage others to do the same, fostering a safe environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Fourth, seek professional help if necessary. If your relationship continues to struggle despite your best efforts, consider consulting a therapist or counselor specializing in relationship issues. These professionals can provide valuable insights and strategies to help improve your connection with others. Fifth, be patient and persistent. Building strong relationships takes time and effort. Stay committed to working on yourself and your relationships, knowing that progress may be slow but steady. Trust that God will continue to guide you every step of the way. As we strive to cultivate deeper connections with those around us, let us always keep God in our hearts and minds. Recognize that He is present in every aspect of our lives, including our relationships, providing comfort, wisdom, and strength when needed. Embrace the power of God's love and watch as your relationships flourish under His gentle care. Remember, my dear friends, that God never abandons us in our darkest hours. Even when relationships appear beyond repair, know that God stands ready to offer hope, healing, and restoration. Believe in the transformative power of His love and witness firsthand how He rescues relationships on the brink of collapse, turning them into beautiful testaments of unity, trust, and devotion. Together, let us embrace the miracle of God's grace and experience the joy of restored connections with those we hold dear.